Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a modern and efficiently laid out 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house located in the very prominent and family-oriented community of Garth Road, Kingston 8. This spacious property comes with a carefully laid out floor plan, nice kitchen area. Property is also fully solar powered and situated on approximately 18,000 square feet of well manicured land, providing ample space for a pool or additional outdoor entertainment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two on by two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two on by two out the door. Then you have magic.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 135 million or US $877.1 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.